Number 1. 1969 Cougar Convertible, 7,950 Granite Falls. We're starting off with a 1969 Cougar Convertible. This one comes with a factory M-Code 351 4V engine and automatic transmission. The paint is a stunning burnt orange metallic, similar to Ford's Indian Fire color, and it's mostly original aside from the passenger door. The factory black power convertible top and black interior are still intact, though they'll need some TLC. The car is in great shape rust-wise, with solid floor pans and minimal rust overall. Under the hood, the 351 is mostly complete, but it was disassembled for shipping and will need a full rebuild. The power front disc brakes and power steering are also in place. This Cougar is priced at $7,950 and would make a fantastic restoration project for the right enthusiast. Two, 1975 Chevrolet Malibu two-door, $8,500. Next, we have a 1975 Chevrolet Malibu Classic two-door Landau Edition. This car is an original survivor with 107,000 miles and tons of factory options, including a 350 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and power disc brakes. It even has rare factory swivel bucket seats and a console. The car has new tires, a new fuel tank, a rebuilt turbo 350 transmission, and dual exhausts. It runs and drives great with a clean Nevada title. If you're looking for a turnkey classic with vintage patina, this one's listed at $8,500. Three, 1971 Ford Mustang 302, 8,950 Venice Beach. For all you Mustang fans, here's a 1971 Ford Mustang Coupe with a 302 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The car runs and looks good, and it comes with an upgraded sound system and mufflers. It has a clean California title, and at $8,950, it's a great buy for anyone looking for a classic Mustang that's ready to roll. Headers 4, 1966 Rambler Rebel Classic, $6,000, Bellevue. If you're into something more unique, check out this 1966 Rambler Rebel Classic, one of only 7,512 produced. It has a 287 V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. The engine was rebuilt back in 2001, but hasn't been driven much since. It's been stored for over 20 years, so it will need some work, but it's a solid foundation for a restoration project. The seller is asking for $6,000, which is a fair price for such a rare find. Number 5, 1964 Chevy Bel Air, $10,000 Sunriver. Up next is a 1964 Chevy Bel Air being sold by the second owner. This four-door sedan has an original 283 V8 engine and Powerglide automatic transmission. It's been garaged for the last 40 years and has 158,000 miles on the odometer. The car runs, but it does overheat and will need some TLC. Priced at $10,000, this Bel Air is a great candidate for restoration or even a resto mod build. Six, 1974 Jensen Interceptor, $8,900, Kennewick, Washington. For the British car enthusiasts, we have a 1974 Jensen Interceptor with a 440 V8 engine and automatic transmission. This car has 84,000 original miles and is very solid with no major rust issues. The interior is complete but sun-baked, and while it doesn't currently run, everything is there to get it going again. The asking price is $8,900. And with its clean Oregon title, this rare Jensen is an awesome project car waiting for the right buyer. Seven, 1971 Volvo Coupe 142E, $10,000, Monument, Colorado. Here's a 1971 Volvo 142E Coupe in incredible condition. It's a 4-speed manual with 184,000 miles and has been garaged its entire life. The car is 99% stock, with only minor upgrades like an electronic ignition and modern AC refrigerant. The interior is nearly immaculate, and while there's a single crack in the windshield and some dings in the paint, this Volvo is a real beauty. It's listed for $10,000, and it's rare to find one in this condition. Hashar 8, 1971 Volkswagen Type 2 Microbus Custom Camper, $9,000, Oakland. If you're a fan of vintage campers, check out this 1971 Volkswagen Type 2 Microbus. It has a rebuilt 1776cc engine with only 11,000 miles on it, plus an upgraded oil cooler for long-distance drives. The bus has some body rust and a dented front end from a low-speed accident, but the interior and mechanicals are in great shape. It's listed for $9,000, and it's perfect for anyone looking to restore or customize a classic VW camper. Hannah, 9. 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 XL Convertible, $6,500, Visalia, California. For convertible lovers, we have a 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 XL with a 352 engine and automatic transmission. It starts right up and runs, but it'll need some work to be highway ready. The power top is functional and the car is mostly original. There are a few dings and rust spots, but nothing major. It's priced at $6,500, making it an affordable project for any classic Ford fan. Channel 10, 1955 Ford Thunderbird, $9,500, California. Lastly, we have a 1955 Ford Thunderbird project car. It's a California car with zero rust and comes with both the soft top and hard top. The original 292 engine is non-running, but was functioning when stored 30 years ago. This car was an award-winning restoration in the 1980s, but needs a full restoration again. The seller is asking $9,500 for this iconic piece of American automotive history. That's all for today's video. Be sure to check the description for the links to these Craigslist ads, and let us know in the comments which one you'd want to take home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome finds on vintage American cars. See you next time.